How to add Visa gift card in Best Buy app. Let's get started. Launch your Best Buy app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. Once you're in the profile page, over here you're gonna find different sections. Under My Account, you'll find the option of payment method. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily add Visa gift card. All you have to do is click on the option of Add a payment method. Now you have to provide all the details. First up, type in your card details. Type in your card number. Then provide your billing address. Type in the first name, last name, address. After you provide all the details, click on Add Payment Method. And with that, your Visa card will be updated as payment method in Best Buy app. So this is how you can easily add Visa gift card in Best Buy app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.